Assalamu alaikum. In the previous video, we have seen that how can we load the um, files in Python language by using this command .read CSV. But now, as we know that there are some values which are missing in the file, so if you will predict the values based on the missing values, it will be a wrong task. Then first of all, you have to find out the missing values. Then you have to replace the missing values with the writer one, which may be mean of the entire column. So in order to do so, we are going to see it by here. First of all, you have to know, is there any column which is missing value, which present missing values? So in the name of the file, which is data, we are finding out the missing value. In order to find out the missing value, the command which we use is na. Is na stand for, is there any null value present? If yes, then what is the sum of the values? So this command will give you the sum of the values which are missing in the entire file or entire Excel file or CSV file. So as you know that name, there are no missing values, in MPG there are no missing values, but in the horsepower there are 6 missing values. So first of all, you have to find out the missing values in horsepower, then you will replace it with the correct one. So in order to do so, first of all, you have to find out the missing values. So you have find out the missing values in horsepower. Now you will see that what is the mean of the entire column, because the missing values should be replaced with the mean of the entire column, because the mean is the only one of the possibility to find out the better values, most fitted values in the entire column. So in the data, the name of the variable to access any kind of column, the main syntax is the name of the file, and in the file, what column you want. You want the column of horsepower, so you will write in single wide comma in the square bracket horsepower, and what you are finding out the mean, so you will write like dot mean. So by using this command, you will find out the mean of horsepower in the file name, which is data. So the mean value is 104. So you can now fill the missing value with the mean, which is 104.4. So now what you are going to do, you are just replacing with the missing value. So you will write like this. I'm just copying it from here, data.horsepower, data.horsepower, Control C, Control V. It should be replaced. In order to replace, you will write fill na. It means that the null values is going to replace with fill. Null value is going to fill with. Now you will write the whole this command. After that, you will place true, because only those places which are empty should be replaced with this mean value, only those. So you will write here like in place true. So only those rows or only those columns which will only those elements are going to access which contains missing values. So this command is going to use only those which have missing values, and in the missing values, the value which is going to be replaced is this mean value. I hope you understand this. Now you can see the result. So now you see that the horsepower which contains 6 missing value has been resolved, and now you have 0 horsepower. Then now you can predict the values based on your input. I hope you understand this. You are very clear with it. Thank you so much for watching.